Welcome to Nagesh Karasky Orchid School TV channel. Myself, Atika Kudle. Children, today we are going to study about awareness skill. Open your awareness skill book. All are ready? I'll wait for 2 minutes. Open your awareness skill book. Page number 14. Take pencil, nicely sharpened pencil, eraser with you. All are ready? Shall we start? Okay. Children, in previous session, we have studied about my school. Do you remember? Yes, you all remember. Now, children, tell me, what is the name of your school? Yes? Correct. The name of my school is Nagesh Karasky Orchid School. Yes. Now, children, you tell me, do you have friends at school? Do you have friends? Yes, we all have friends in the school, and also at home also, nearby your house, you make friends, isn't it? Yes. Now, children, first we are going to write the name of the school. In previous session, we have written the name of the school. Just for recall, once again, we will write the name of the school. For just a recall, we will write the name of the school. Okay? All are ready? Just fold your hands and look here and listen what teacher is saying to you. The name of my school is Nagesh Karasky Orchid School. Isn't it? This is the name of your school. Yes, children? Yes. Now, children, when you pack your school bag, what all things you carry in that? Yes? We will make a list of that. Okay? First one is children, books. Second one, pencil. Yes? Eraser. Yes? Yes. Again, tiffin bag. Tiffin bag. Yes. All these things you carry in your school bag. Isn't it? Okay, children. Now, just have a look. Now, children, today we are going to study about good manners in school. How you should behave in school. What are the good manners you should follow in the school? Okay? Now, children, first of all, early in the morning when you get ready, school bus comes near your house, isn't it? So what you will do? You will walk properly and you will enter in the school bus. Okay? After that, when you enter in the school gate, Teachers are there on the gate. Maushis are there on the gate. Yes? You should wish them. You should wish them. Say good morning. Okay? You should greet the teacher. After that, when you enter in the class, you should take the permission of teacher. When teacher is in the class, you should take her permission to enter in the class. You should ask the teacher, may I come in, teacher? It is a good manner. Okay? When you take the permission of the teacher says, yes, come in. Then you wish the teacher, you wish your friends, say good morning to them. Okay? Now, after that, when you go to your place, when you go to your bench, sit properly. Okay? Then, after some time, when teacher teaches you, when teacher explains you something, you should listen to the teacher very carefully. What teacher is explaining you, what teacher is teaching you, you should listen it carefully. If you want to answer the question, when teacher is asking you the question and you know the answer of that question, then how you are going to answer the question? Yes, correct. You have to raise your hand. You have to first raise your hand, then teacher will tell you, yes, stand up and answer the question. Then you should stand and answer the question. Okay? These are the good manners. Now after that, if teacher is not there in the class and you are alone in the class, your friends and you, see here what these children are doing. See, they are making the class dirty. So we should not throw papers. First of all, we should take care of our books. We should not tear the pages. We should not tear the pages and throw like this in the class. See here. When teacher is asking you a question, you should raise your hand to answer the question. Okay? After that, you should share things. You should share things with your classmate. If your friend has not brought pencil, if you are having 2 pencils with you, give 1 pencil to him. Share your thing with your classmate. This also is a good manner. Okay? Now, helping your teachers. See, if somebody is writing on the desk, if somebody is not listening to the teacher, what you have to do then? You have to tell that student, don't write on the bench. In this manner, you will be helping your teachers. Okay? Now next, waiting for your bus. When your school gets over, you all go down, isn't it? Then, thereafter going on the ground, you should stand in a line and you should wait for your bus. You should make a line and stand properly in a queue for your bus. Okay? All these comes in under good manners. See here. Fighting in class. fighting in class is not a good habit, is not a good manner. You should always help your friends. You should not laugh on your friends. You should not tease them. You should always be helping nature. That is called good manners. Okay? Laughing at your friends. See, if your friend don't know anything, immediately what you start? You start laughing on him. So, you should not laugh on your friends. If he don't know anything, you just help him. Explain him how to do that sum, how to write in the notebook. In this way, you will be helping your friend. In spite of laughing at your friend, you should help him. Now, littering the classroom, making classroom dirty. Just now I have said, you should take care of your books. Isn't it? You should not tear the pages. If you will tear the page, you will spoil your book. Isn't it? Then after spoiling what do you do? When you will tear the page, just you will throw in the classroom. So, you should not make the class dirty. You should keep your class neat and tidy. Okay? Now, scribbling on the wall and benches. See, you should not write on the walls. At home also your mother scold you, Don't write on the wall. Same way, you should take care in the classroom also. You should keep the classroom walls clean. You should not write on that. As well as where you are sitting on the bench, on which bench you are sitting. What do? You write with the pencil on that bench. Isn't it? So, you should not do that. You should not write on the benches also. Okay? This all comes in good manners. But the fighting in class is a bad manners. Laughing at friends, bad manners. Making class dirty, bad manners. Scribbling on walls and benches, bad manners. Isn't it? So, you should not do all these things. Okay? Now, children, see here. Good manners in the school. Now, what they have asked us, let's see. Tick the good manners and cross out wrong the bad manners. Just now I have explained, what are good manners and what are bad manners. So, they are asking here, what are good manners and what are bad manners? For good manners, we have to put a tick mark. And for bad manners, we have to put a cross mark. Okay? Let's see. HELPING, helping. HELPING, helping. YOUR, your. YOUR. TEACHERS, teachers. TEACHERS, teachers. Helping your teachers. Yes, children? Is it a good manner or a bad manner? Yes, correct. It is a good manner. So, put a tick mark. Did you all done it? Okay. Now, come to next picture. W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting. W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. Y-O-U-R, your. Y-O-U-R, your. T-U-R and turn. T-U-R and turn. Waiting for your turn. Is it a good manner or bad manner? Yes, it is a good manner. You should wait. When your turn comes to get in the bus, then only you should go in the bus. Okay? So, this is a good manner. Put a tick mark. Over? Now. Next picture. L-I-T-T, L-I-T-T, E-R-I-N-G, littering. L-I-T-T, E-R-I-N-G, littering. T-H-E, the. C-L-A-S-S, class. C-L-A-S-S, class. R-O-O-M, room. R-O-O-M, room. Littering the classroom. Making the classroom dirty. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? Good manner or a bad manner? Yes. So, which sign? Cross sign. Cross out in the given box. Now, come to next picture. H-E-L-P, help. H-E-L-P, help. I-N-G, helping. See, help word is there and I-N-G has been added. So, helping. Y-O-U-R, your. C-L-A-S-S, class. M-A-T-E-S, mates, classmates. Helping your classmates. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? Good manner or a bad manner? Good manner. So, put a tick mark. Now, L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, laughing. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, laughing. A-T, at. Y-O-U-R, your. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Laughing at your friends. When your friend fall, he get hurt. You should laugh? No, we should not laugh. We should help him. So, laughing at your friend is a good habit or a bad habit? Good manner or a bad manner? Bad manner. So, put a cross mark. Now, after that, S-H-A-R-I-N-G, sharing. S-H-A-R-I-N-G, sharing. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. W-I-T-H, with. W-I-T-H, with. C-L-A-S-S, class. M-A-T-E-S, mates, classmates. Sharing things with classmates. Good manner or a bad manner, children? Yes, very good. It is a good manner. So, put a tick mark. Okay? Do it fast. Okay? Over. Come to next page. My friends. Isn't it? What they are telling? What you have to do here, see. paste a photo of yourself with your friends. Okay? What you have to do? Paste a photo of yourself with your friends. Now children, what you have to do? You have to paste a photo of yourself and, you have to paste the photo of your friend and, yes, correct. Along with your friend, you have one photo. That photo you have to stick here. Write the name of your friends. My friends are. How many friends are there? You should write their names in this given space provided to you. Okay? This one is for your homework. This one is for your homework. Okay? Did you all understood? How you have to follow the good manners in the school. Okay? Once again, you revise at home. Till then, goodbye.